You're watching Nuntium. Have you ever seen a 3D printer? They are really cool. You can design things like toys, robots, and even machines that can aid in surgery. What's common with all these things? They are all really small. Well, that makes sense. After all, it must use a lot of resources and time to create something large, like a house.
It's dirty, it's cold, no place for me, I'm told. It's dangerous, ain't got no stuff, but I'm used to it. This is my life now, it has been for a while. This is my life now, at least the ground is fertile. This is a joke, it isn't vain. I admire the sentiment, but things don't change. It's impossible and improbable, but I'm used to it. This is my life now. I'm trying not to raise my hopes. This is my life now. I really hope this isn't a joke. This can't be real. It seems surreal. I don't know why this happened to me. A roof for my head, a place to sleep. This is my life now, and it feels like a dream. This is my life now. I'm grateful to the extreme.
In Mexico, these printers are battling homelessness. They can make a home for a single family in less than 24 hours. The printers are controlled by a tablet or smartphone. This, if used correctly, can make a huge impact on homelessness. This is something to fight for.